It's a beautiful day. Rampa rampa. I'm going to rampa rampa you. It's a beautiful day. Oh, yan guys. Gagala lang kami guys. Oo, gagala-gala. Pag may time, gagala-gala din kami. Kasama ko ang aking pamilya. Hello guys. How are you at the back? Good. Fine. How about you, Mark? Alright. My
Do you
driver
have a
ako.
list? Christmas gifts?
I thought you got it. That's okay. I can remember.
I thought I gave it to you.
I put it in the countertop because you write it down something. Yes. Maganda ang panahon. It is a beautiful day. Pero malamig siya. Kahit na malamig, maganda pa rin ang panahon. Hindi umulan. Gonna use one. Is it right? Children can. Oh, I need this. This is what I'm looking for. Sasakyan. It's a beautiful day. Maraming sasakyan. Kanina kami lang. Ngayon marami na. Saan ba? Sinong bayani? That's a pine tree, so pine.
Yeah.
That long.
No, yeah, during the
Mama,
yes.
there's somewhere to go here. My finger.
What happened?
Hurt my finger.
Oh, I'm sorry. Be careful, David. Mark, be nice, guys. Be nice.
Mama, can you tell Mark to go up?
Mark, come over here. I'm doing video, long form video. Be nice. Be nice. Oh, ayan. Tingnan nyo guys yung anak ko guys. Oh, ayan. Nakita nyo guys, oh. Yan ang anak ko. Tingnan nyo. Yes. Yan ang driver ko, asawa ko. Oh, ayan. Say hi. Ganon siya, cute siya pag magalit, no? Ang cute-cute niya pag magalit, di ba guys? Ang cute niya. Pag umiyak siya, may pasabi, di ba? Ang cute niya. Parang baby. But anyway guys, until my next video, and God bless everyone. Bye-bye. May pupuntahan lang kami guys. Yes, kasama ko ang aking instructor. At saka son-in-law, at saka yung anak niya.